We usually talk about the good old 90s songs, television advertisements, and daily soaps. But there is another thing that the 90s gave us which cannot be replicated. It's news presenters. Let's take a walk down memory lane and see how many of them you can recognize. Shobna Jagdish. You may not have her name, but there is no chance you have not seen her on television. Shobna Jagdish was one of the popular newsreaders with her hair neatly tied in a bun. The crisp saris she sported and the way she read the news bulletin. Shobna Jagdish had all our attention while she presented the news. Number 2. Sunil Tandon. Just like every Indian parent, mine too asked me to watch the English news every day to improve my language and learn the correct pronunciation. And who better than Mr. Sunil Tandon to learn from? He was associated with Doordarshan till 2007 and later served as the director of the Indian Institute of Mass Communication, Delhi. Number 3. Avinash Kaur Sareen. Avinash Kaur Sareen joined Doordarshan as a presenter but went on to become the main newscaster. She is also known as for her documentaries on Asian culture. Number 4. Shammi Narang. An engineering graduate from IIT Delhi, Shammi Narang landed his first job in the Hindi division Voice of America. Eventually, he went on to become the face of Doordarshan News, reading during 1970s to 80s. He is also the man behind the deep baritone that you hear during traveling in the Delhi metro. These days, he trains news and upcoming journalists and voice-over artists. Number 5. Sarla Maheshwari. One of the most calm and graceful ladies on Doordarshan. You can call Sarla Maheshwari the epitome of simplicity. She is also known for the poise with which she presented news. Number 6. Neelam Sharma. Neelam Sharma's impeccable Hindi diction was enough to capture our attention. Sharma was one of the first newsreaders who got me hooked to DD News. Number 7. Ved Prakash. Another popular newsreaders of our time. Ved Prakash was a renowned voice artist with Doordarshan. He also served as the chief editor of Student Today and anchored over 100 articles for leading newspapers and magazines. Number 8. Neethi Ravindran. Neethi Ravindran had a unique voice which you could immediately recognize. Back in the day when news channels had not mustered everywhere, she was the one who presented the news of the death of Mother Teresa in 1997. She is also the one behind 50 Years of India's Independence, an award-winning documentary made for the Ministry of External Affairs. Number 9. Vinod Do. Vinod Do's association with Doordarshan began way back in 1975 with Yuva Manch, a Hindi program for youngsters. His popularity soared when he co-anchored the election analysis program with Dr. Pranya Roy in 1984. Ever since he became a household name. He is still an active media personality and his daughter Mallika Do is also a popular entertainer. Number 10. It is last but not least, Rini Siman Khanna. Born in Kerala to an Indian Air Force officer, Rini Siman Khanna was a well-known newsreader who had a long association with Doordarshan from 1985 to 2001. She is also the voice behind the remarkable female voice of the Delhi Metro announcements. Friends, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel.